It is coming up on 11:16 on this Monday night. Matt Wintz, senior meteorologist, in now with the forecast. Matt, we heard those thunder boomers around here earlier tonight. Sounded pretty intense.
Yeah, it did at times, Russ. You know, nothing was severe when it moved through the Cleveland area, but these storms, as you mentioned, and we were looking at some of the damage out towards the west, they had a lot of wind with them. There was a lot of wind energy tonight, and a lot of us felt that here across areas of northern Ohio as well. I actually shot this time lapse off of the third floor here at WKYC of the storms coming in. This is how quickly things can change. It doesn't even look like there's storms coming. This is only a 35-minute time lapse. And watch how quickly we go from fair skies. Yeah, it's a little bit darker off towards the north. You see the cumulonimbus come in, and then there's the shelf cloud towards the end. Things rapidly changed as that storm came in off the lake. We saw strong winds. A little bit of wind damage out towards the west, but overall, things have quieted down a little bit here this evening. In terms of your forecast tomorrow morning, where do we go? Well, still some leftover showers. It's going to remain murky tonight. We didn't have a frontal boundary that passed through. It's still well off to the west. So 70s, murky tomorrow morning, some showers around. We're going to have some rain in between tomorrow morning and the evening, but by evening, we'll see the sunshine breaking out. We've got temps still in the 70s. We're going to have a pretty nice evening tomorrow, but we've got to get there first. We've got to get this front out of here. In terms of the rainfall here this evening, we've got shrinking coverage of the rain out towards Ashtabula County. A couple leftover showers back towards Erie and Huron County as well. This is just a general light rain just north and west of the Orwell area along Route 45 there. Down towards the south, getting towards the Kinsman, Cortland area, Mosquito Lake, Bristol's picking up some light rain right now. No thunder or lightning out of this. Canton, a pretty good downpour coming down. If you're traveling 77 there through Stark County, encountering some downpours, those should fade here shortly as well. Very active radar out towards the west, though. Look at all the shower and thunderstorm activity. This is going to create some flooding as it's going over renewed areas. Overall tonight, all of this is going to kind of meander its way off towards the west, may sink a little bit south as well, but our western counties may pick up a little bit of rain, probably about 4 hours out from now. It's going to be some time. The big picture today, though, look at this line of storms. That's the one that produced all the wind damage. They had 70 to 80 mile per hour winds back towards Chicago and northwest Indiana. Whole thing kind of fanned out, but we still had some wind energy with it. 317 wind damage reports today out of all these storms. You can see how they light up right behind that main line as it moved through. Also had some wind damage up in New York. Had a tornado warning up towards Watertown earlier this evening. Nothing confirmed with that, but lots of wind energy with these storms. Not a lot of hail. No tornadoes reported today. That's what we deal with this time of year as it's tapping into some jet stream energy, but it's all along our frontal boundary. Front still off towards our north. It's making its way through Chicago now, areas of Michigan. Until that gets through, we can't clear us out in terms of the rainfall chances. And we also don't get the dry air yet, but it is waiting for us. It is much drier, much more comfortable. This is the soupy tropical air mass we're in. We've got some changes, and as I was telling you all last week, we were looking forward to this fall-like air mass this week. It's on its way northeast Ohio. Nothing's changed. National Design Mart hour by our forecast. There goes the rain overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning's rush hour. We may have some rain around down to the south as well, but notice the clouds. There's going to be some fog around, just a murky start. We're going to bring in more rain as it looks right now through the midday hour. That will be along the front. Could see a couple rumbles out of that. Severe weather threat tomorrow much lower than what it was today. It's not going to be quite as unstable. Once the front gets out of here, notice the change from noon to 5 tomorrow. We go to straight up sunshine, temps in the 70s, nice brisk wind out of the west blowing in that drier air. When we bring in cooler air, we tap into the lakes this time of year. So perhaps some lake effect clouds, maybe a couple showers, especially favoring tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Look at these temperatures Wednesday morning. 50s, low 60s. It's going to be back to the refreshing air again with temps in the 70s. Dew points go down. That means the muggy meter goes down to comfortable. It does kind of go back up this weekend, though. So let's look ahead to your Labor Day weekend. It's coming up already. We've got the dry air midweek. Lots of sunshine expected this week. Here comes our next front just in time for Labor Day. It'll be a front to the north meeting up with moisture to the south. Rain will be around Saturday. We're keeping us dry for now. I've got our chance of rain on Sunday as that front kind of stalls. And even on Labor Day itself, rain's around, but I'm going dry right now. So we'll see if that pans out. But just know we could have a little bit of a changeable forecast this weekend. But as of right now, Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast shows lots of sunshine. Lingering rain tomorrow, sunshine on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there's our weekend rainfall chance. We'll continue to highlight that. Russ.
Not bad at all, Matt. Thanks so much.